Most people say they value confidence, but what actually makes them uncomfortable is not weakness. It is control. Silence exposes control, and that is why it creates tension. When someone speaks too much, you know where they stand. You know what affects them. They are readable, but silence removes that comfort. A silent person gives no signal, no reaction. This is why silence is often misinterpreted. People call it arrogance, coldness, even weakness. But that interpretation says more about them than about you. Because silence does one thing very well. It removes emotional safety. Most people rely on emotional feedback to feel in control. They need agreement. They need response. They need reassurance. Silence offers none of it. And without reassurance, insecurity surfaces. This is why silence feels threatening to emotionally weak people. Not because silence is aggressive, but because it does not accommodate. They believe discomfort means danger. So they speak, they explain, they justify, they react. And in doing so, they give control away. Because the moment you rush to explain yourself, you place the other person above you emotionally. Silence does the opposite. It keeps authority internal. A person who can stay silent under pressure is not passive. They are composed. And composure is rare. Most people cannot tolerate it because it requires self-regulation. It requires the ability to feel tension without escaping it. Silence allows tension to remain until it shifts outward, and it always does. When you remain silent, the other person begins to move. They explain themselves. They overtalk. They reveal intention. This is why silence feels powerful. It transfers emotional labor to the other side. The silent person observes. The reactive person exposes. This does not mean silence is always correct. It means silence is a test of emotional stability. Silence is not avoidance when it is intentional. It is restraint, and restraint is the foundation of emotional authority. This is why emotionally strong people feel unsettling. They are not easily moved. They do not mirror chaos. Now ask yourself something honestly. When silence enters a room, do you feel grounded, or do you feel the urge to fill it? Comment one word below: grounded or uncomfortable. Subscribe to Mind After Dark